December 10th, 2015, 65 successful trips around the sun. You know, it seems to change for everybody when you're 40, 50, 60, 70, but 65 seems to be a landmark age for a lot of people. A lot of people are retiring. I have no plans on that. If Tony Bennett is still singing at 89 and Clint Eastwood is still making movies at 83, I'm still going to be working. Today you're going to see some tire flipping. That seems to be popular with a lot of people. I'm going to pull a truck and I'm actually going to get in the cage and mix it up with somebody. But if you're looking to see a slugfest, it's not going to happen because we're not going to make any connecting punches. So enjoy, and we'll see you on the other side. Here we are, Jungle Mixed Martial Arts and Fitness Center. Let's see, I think this is about an 800-pound tire. Do a few flips of this. Key is the grip. If you don't grip it right, it's not going anywhere. Let's go inside and have some fun. 3, 2, 1, go.
Really? That's a compliment. No, John's doing the timer. We're almost done. 40 seconds. Yeah. 40 seconds. Go to that timer, John? I got my own timer. That's it. Good job. That was fun.
Yeah. Here's a challenge this year, this giant truck, so we'll see what happens over here. Gonna pull it a little bit and see what happens. So here we go, let's have some fun with this truck. And there you have it. This is how I celebrated my 65th birthday. And I'm not doing much to brag about myself. It is to encourage you to do something, whatever it is. Even go for a walk every day or eat better food. So you can do it, and I'll see you at number 66.